son and daughter-in-law have brought my granddaughter to spend some time in Trinidad, so I organized a Trini Lime for them.
Where's it going to?
Earlier in the afternoon, I began organizing the ingredients for the food part of the line. As I have finally learned how to properly cook baji, as you would have seen in my previous video, Sada and Baji, I decided to pick some baji from my yard and cook it. There's a link to that previous video in the video description.
See dogs that big, that docile in the States. They're never that docile in the States.
Yeah, we'll get some. I'll pick in front.
But the bugs eating your leaves, boy.
Yeah.
Why you don't get something to
And then put stuff that have pesticides.
No,
in it.
get another something to kill the bugs.
Oh, another plant.
Yeah, get something else to kill the bugs so that they don't eat up all your leaves.
Well, all meals for Lime involve some amount of preparation. Unless, of course, you have a lazy man line and serve KFC and pizza.
For the leaves, and you have to say that these are the caterpillars. What is eating them up? Half the leaf.
Oh, you mean the thing?
Yes.
Yes, but
You're getting some, but I'm just saying, I know it's organic. I understand it's organic, but you need, now instead of pesticides, you can get something like
Although the lime is for him and his wife, I had to make my son do some work in the kitchen. So while I chop up the baji, I get my son to cut up the pimento peppers. I gave him to also cut up the garlic, but he wasn't too good at that, so I just left him with the pimento peppers.
I said the other day, Neil, with the new gas that ran to selling.
Yeah, higher. I order one today. I order one today. We do that around this person.
Might take 3 hours to cook, but it's alright.
Yeah.
You have time.
Come on.
We do around this person.
Yeah.
Yeah. put it this way. I don't have to do the pork, you know. I can put the pork.
I walk up.
Yeah.
Put the book away. Are you crazy?
Yeah.
Are you crazy?
What?
For you.
You want the pork?
Listen up. Trini Lime,
Yeah.
location that we have drinks.
Yeah.
I can eat far more.
Yeah.
Fried chicken. Chew. Good. Finish chewing. Want me to eat your back?
Oh, you ain't ready for the chicken yet? We're eating small pieces.
Give that your chicken. That way you can eat your chicken. There.
What, Chinese going for the baji? Listen, you
Yummy.
ain't need no coconut milk. I wouldn't doubt it. I wouldn't doubt it. I wouldn't doubt. Yeah.
Why? Why you don't look at it? This is pure. That's baji.
With my group of friends, whatever meat is cooking, it has to include pork. If you enjoyed this video, please leave me a comment telling me what you liked.
6 hours to grill 5 kilos.
Oh, 5 pieces of chicken. Hold your ass.
Oh,
they cook all the
We
chicken?
got a big grill, so we can just cook all the pork and chicken at the same time.
You want the first one to put some money?
Yeah.
So do we follow?
Uh-huh.
So you know I have two friends too.
Yes.
And you know because I have two barbecues, so I don't get barbecue.
Right. All right, Leila. Turn around and wave. 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 All right. Good night. Good night. In the morning. See you in the morning. Okay, bye-bye. See you in the morning. If you like the content, please share this video.
Only one. Location that I might know. I was in a whole new world that wasn't bigger than this.
We had to start somewhere.
Exactly. But they don't want they want to start off at the
Big
top.
thing, they want to-
And I'm like, no,
nice
no, no,
thing.
no, no, no. I put blood, sweat, and tears to get where this is.
As with all Trinidad lives, it eventually boils down to a few guys at the end.
Like I said, listen, if you want this, then she's asking about a bonus.
Before you start, you want to
Before she even start.
Well, you should tell him what the fella you hired 2 weeks ago. On the first day, the man. No, Neil. On the first day, the man asked for a salary advance. At lunchtime. At lunchtime.
If you want to see other videos of outdoor activities in Trinidad, select one of the videos that is appearing on your screen now.